Hello students, how are you all? I hope everybody is fine. So as you all can see that I am going to begin the exercise 4C, that is based on subtraction of integers. See, yesterday itself, not yesterday, today itself I got message from Sarika ma'am that one student has not understood the questions which I have explained. She has not understood the addition what I have done. So she has not mentioned any option because I have solved 10 options. So out of those 10 options, 3 options were the options which were having more than 2 integers. तो जिनमें 2 integers से firstly I want everybody to be clear with this. If one positive integer is given to you and one negative integer is given to you, then you have to subtract and sign of the greater number will be there, right? साइन ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर, जो आपका आंसर आएगा उसमें बड़े नंबर की साइन लगाई जाएगी. वन पॉजिटिव वन नेगेटिव यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट, वन नेगेटिव वन पॉजिटिव देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट एंड सेम थिंग विल बी अप्लाइड. साइन ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर विल बी देयर. And if two negative integers are given to you, then you have to add, but the sign will be negative. If two negative integers are given to you, you are going to add both of them and then you have to give the negative sign to the answer, right? And if two positive integers are given, you have to add and sign will also be positive. I hope it is clear now. So that girl Tanya Singh, she has not mentioned any option number, so I cannot explain all the 10 options. So I am explaining last 3 options which are having more than 3 integers. So the 8th option was minus 18, 25 and minus 37. We have to add these 3. So minus 18 plus 25 plus minus 37. Sum means add. So we are adding all the integers. Now minus 18 plus 25 plus minus 37. So now how will you proceed? You have to follow the BODMAS rule. Which rule? BODMAS rule. So as per the BODMAS rule, firstly you have to add and then you have to subtract, because there is no multiplication and division, only addition and subtraction is given here. So firstly you will add and then you will subtract. So the first thing which you need to keep in mind is begin from one side only. If you are starting the process from this side, so start from this side only. If you are starting from this side, so continue from this side. And for this option I am explaining from both the sides. मैं दोनों तरफ से समझाऊंगी. Firstly I will explain you from this side and secondly I will explain you from this side. I will solve in both the ways. So I hope that will be more clear to that girl after that. So firstly I am going to begin with this side. So minus 18 plus 25. We cannot solve more than 2 integers together. So firstly I am going to take 2 integers. Now minus 18 plus 25. One integer positive, one integer negative. Plus minus and sign of the greater number. So the greater number is having a positive sign. So 25 minus 18 is 7. Now this much we have done. This portion is left. So minus 37. Right. Now one positive, if there is no sign for the integer given to you, then by default you have to consider it as a positive integer. I have told this to you many times. If there is no sign given, then we have to consider it as a positive integer. So one positive, one negative, you have to subtract. So 37 minus 7 is 30 and sign of the greater number will be there. So minus 30. See, I have solved from this side and we have got minus 30. Now same question I am going to solve from the another side, that is from the extreme right. Now I have started from extreme left. Now I am going to start from extreme right. So from extreme right I can take only 2 integers, not more than 2. So I am taking these 2. 25 minus 37. One positive, one negative. What we have to do? We have to subtract and sign of the greater number will be there. So 25 minus 37 is minus 12. So minus 12, right? 25 minus 37 is minus 12. I have solved this much portion. Now this portion was left, minus 18. So minus 18 I have kept like that. See, minus 18 प्लस, यहाँ पे प्लस का साइन था, पर इन दोनों को सॉल्व करने पे क्या आया, माइनस 12. सो माइनस 18 माइनस 12, माइनस माइनस प्लस, और साइन किसकी लगती है, माइनस की. So as you all can see that when I have started from this side, then also I have got minus 30. When I started from this side, then also I have got minus 30. So in both the cases, the answer is same. So I hope that girl must have understood now what I have done in the previous questions. Now I am going to explain you last option, that is 10th option. I am not going to explain 9th option because it will take a lot of time. I have already explained. So if you want, you can go and watch the previous video again, that is yesterday's video. So minus 51 plus minus 203 plus 36 plus minus 28, right? So now what we have to do, we have to add these four integers. So as you all can see that plus minus minus plus minus minus. Now I am going to begin my addition from one side, that is from the extreme right. So 36 minus 28 plus 36 minus 28, one positive one negative, subtraction and sign of the greater number. So 36 minus 28 is 8. तो यहाँ पे मेरा प्लस 8 आया बिकॉज बड़े नंबर का साइन पॉजिटिव था. अब जो ये पोर्शन बचा है, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट दैट पोर्शन. सो माइनस 203 माइनस 51, राइट. नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व. मैं इधर से शुरू की थी तो मैंने इन दोनों टर्म्स को लिया. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक लास्ट टू टर्म्स अगेन बिकॉज आई हैव स्टार्टेड माई सोल्यूशन फ्रॉम दिस साइड. नाउ माइनस 203 प्लस 8 is equals to minus 195 because plus minus minus and sign of the greater number. So the greater number is having negative sign. Now this portion is left, right? So minus 51. Now two integers are there, both are negative. What we have to do, we have to add them and give the sign negative. See, my answer has came. So I hope now that girl must have understood. If you have understood, please reply in the comment section. Now I am going to begin the subtraction of integers, the questions from exercise 4C. Students, don't skip the video, watch the video completely, then only you will be able to understand. And yes, अगर आपको समझ में आती हैं चीज़ें तो आपने अगर चैनल नहीं सब्सक्राइब किया तो you can subscribe the channel. So question number 1, first option, 18 from minus 34. One thing which you need to keep in mind is the term which is written after from, यानी from के बाद जो term लिखा होगा आपको उसमें से माइनस करना है. You are not going to write like this 18 minus minus 34. This is wrong. How will you proceed? The term which is written after this word from will come first. That means आपको minus 34 से 18 को subtract करना है. This is how you are going to proceed. Minus 34 minus 18. Since 18 was a positive integer and we are going to subtract. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन क्या था आपका? Subtract. So I am subtracting it, right? यहाँ पे आपका पॉजिटिव था, that is why I am directly writing like that. Minus 34 minus 18. Now minus minus plus and sign will be negative. So answer will be minus 52. Right? Listen to me carefully, and then also if there is any problem, please reply in the comment section that I am facing this difficulty and I am not able to understand this, because I used to read the comments. So I will, once I will read the comment, I will clarify your doubt from in the next video. So minus 15 from 25. So pause the video and reply to me that which term will come first, minus 15 or 25? कौन सा पहले आएगा, 25 और minus 15? As per the explanation provided by me. Pause the video and write your answers fast. Whosoever is watching the video. Yes, students, your answer is correct. 25 is going to come first. and we have to subtract minus 15 from 25. Subtract minus 15. हमें 25 में से minus 15 subtract करना है. Here it was plus 18, that is why I directly written 8 minus 18, क्योंकि by default अगर कोई sign नहीं होता है तो positive माना जाता है. Now you all know that minus minus. Please reply your answers in the comment section. Pause the video and reply to this question. Minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. So 25 plus 15. Now when you are going to add these two numbers, it will be 40. I hope it is clear. Now I am going to explain you the rest of the options. Please listen to me carefully, and all the options which I am going to solve from exercise 4C of question number 1, you are supposed to solve them in maths classwork copy. Sit with your copy and pen, watch the video, and along with me you have to write as you do it in your classrooms. Imagine yourself that you are sitting in the classroom and you are listening to me, right? And I am asking questions and you have to answer to them. In between I can ask any question. So the third option is minus 28 from minus 43. Again you have to reply me in the comment section which term is going to come first. Minus 28 or minus 43. Pause the video, give me your answers. Yes students, minus 43 is going to come first. So minus 43 minus minus 28. Minus 43 minus minus plus. So one positive, one negative. What we have to do? We have to subtract. So 43 minus 28 is 15. But yes, we know that one integer is positive, one integer is negative. We have to give the sign of the greatest number to the result. So the greatest number is having which sign? Negative sign. So the answer will be minus 15. Okay students? Coming to the fourth option. So the fourth option is 68 from minus 37, right? 68 from minus 37. So minus 37 minus 68. Since 68 was a positive integer, so I am directly subtracting it. There is no need to put any positive sign. क्योंकि अगर मैं इसमें ऐसे लगा भी दूँ plus 68, बाद में क्या हो जाएगा? Plus minus minus. So again you have to write like this. So minus minus, reply your answers in the comment section. What we have to do? Minus minus, pause the video and reply the answers. Plus. So when you are going to add 37 to 68, answer will be 105. और sign किसकी लगेगी? Negative. Right? So I hope all of you have understood this. Now I am going to explain option number 5. Don't consider it as you are sitting at your homes and watching the video. Imagine yourself, you are sitting in the classroom and listening to me. Your eyes should be on the video. 219 from 0. So 0 is going to come first. Minus 219. सी 0 में से जब 219 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो आपका आंसर आएगा, बिकॉज 0 के आप 0 जो है इट्स नीदर पॉजिटिव नॉर नेगेटिव, तो आंसर विल बी minus 219. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द सिक्स्थ ऑप्शन. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ लिटिल बिट सिमिलर. minus 92 from 0. Now my question from all of you, pause the video and tell me the answer of this option. That is option number 6. And you don't have to do cheating. You have to follow the things which I have explained you. So start giving your answer, student, in the comment section. Very good. 0 minus minus 92 is equals to 0 plus 92. So the answer will be 92. Right? Coming to the seventh option. Please pay attention. Seventh option is minus 135 from minus 250. Right? So minus 250 minus 135. Now, students, what will be the next step? Pause the video, reply me. Reply your answers in the comment section. Whatever I am asking in the video, if you are watching it, please reply. So, minus 250 plus 135. And I really appreciate those students who are commenting on in the video and giving the answers. I hope they all are learning well and they are going to definitely score good marks. Okay? So I request from all the students, listen to me carefully, follow each and everything, then only you are going to understand this. So plus minus, one negative, one positive. So we are going to subtract it. 250 minus 135. Answer will be minus 115 because the greatest number is having negative sign. Now coming to the 8th option. So the 8th option is minus 2768 from minus 287. So minus 287 minus 2768. Pause the video. Tell me the next step of this question. Reply your answers in the comment section. See, if I am asking 5 questions in every video and you are answering out of 2 or 3 also, then also you are doing good. There is no issue. But if you are not answering any of the question, that means you are not watching the video. 2768. Plus minus and sign of the greatest number. So 2768 minus 287, answer will be 2481, right? So I hope it will be clear to all of you after this. Now 9th option and 10th option is left, right? So I am not solving that 9th option and 10th option. I am giving those 2 options as homework. You have to do it by your own. Option number 9, option number 10 in your maths homework copy. Okay. Now I am going to explain you question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 says that subtract the sum of minus 1050 and 813 from minus 23. ठीक है? You have to catch the keywords given in the question. The sum of minus 1050 and 813 from minus 23, right? So as I have already told you, the number or the integer written after from, यानी from के बाद जो number लिखा होगा, that is going to come first. So minus 23 is going to come first. Plus, now what is written here? नहीं, यहाँ पे आपका प्लस नहीं आएगा, लिखा है subtract the sum of minus 1050 and 813 from minus 23. यानी हमें क्या करना है? subtract करना है. अगर add लिखा होता तो यहाँ पे प्लस आता, पर subtract है तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? माइनस आएगा. From the sum of, subtract the sum of minus 1050 and 813 from minus 23. तो अब किसका सम सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? इन दोनों का. सो minus 1050 plus 813. This is going to come in the bracket because as per the question, sum of these two, right? Sum of these two is to be subtracted from minus 23. So one negative, one positive. As per the BODMAS rule, things given in the bracket will be solved first. So this is in the bracket. So we are going to solve this firstly. So minus 1050 plus 813. One negative integer, one positive integer. That means you have to subtract. So minus 237. जब आप subtract करेंगे तो जो आंसर आएगा वो आएगा 237. And sign of the greatest number will be applied. Okay. Now minus. Please pause the video and tell me the answer. minus plus. जब दो माइनस मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं तो क्या हो जाते हैं? प्लस हो जाते हैं. Now one positive, one negative. You have to do it step by step. Then only it will be clear to you. So 1 positive, 1 negative, that means subtraction and sign of the greatest number. So 214 is the answer. So I hope all of you have understood. So that's all for today students. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ ग्रेट डे अहेड. अगर आपको समझ में आया है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा और चैनल नहीं सब्सक्राइब किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.